With the carryover foaming condensate formation, are there any misconceptions around why they're generated?
When we're measuring moisture level or hydrocarbon dew point, it's really important to know whether the gas is wet or whether it's dry. And so there's a number of different techniques we can use. Some are better than others, but they're all need to be calibrated quite regularly. Some are more stable than others, as I say, so they need to be calibrated less often than others. But they all need to be calibrated and make sure we get the right answer. Now, what we're finding is that even when the analyzer is spot on in terms of calibration, when we put cameras onto the pipeline to actually see what's going on inside the pipeline, even though we know we've got dry gas, we've still got liquids running underneath, which was a bit of you were talking about an aha moment.
Yeah.
That's another aha moment have we got this wrong? I mean, there's lots of industry standards, there's lots of instrument engineers working really hard on making sure, are we 1.5 or is it 1.35 or is it, and what we've seen is just a massive difference. So we can have a dew point of minus 40 degrees. Doesn't matter whether it's degrees C or Fahrenheit, it's the crossover, but minus 40. And the ambient temperature could be plus 25. So we've got a really good margin between the process temperature, if you like, the ambient temperature, and the dew point. We'd have to cool that gas by, what did I just say? 25, 40, 50, 65. Yeah. We'd have to cool it by 65 degrees C before we hit the dew point and we started to see condensate form. So you think every day of the week, that's dry gas. But then we put the camera in and we find actually there's liquids streaming at the bottom of the gas, streaming at the bottom of the pipeline.
And has that been a big surprise for people within the industry to understand that?
Yeah, it's been a big surprise to us. I mean, we didn't believe it at first. When we first started seeing this, we thought, oh, right, it can't be hydrocarbon liquid. It's got to be glycol, which is another one of those liquids they use in gas processing, because otherwise the analyzer would go into alarm because we've got liquids present, but they don't. Now we've got sufficient evidence to say there's something desperately wrong in what we're doing, and we're beginning to, if you like, illustrate the problem to the industry.